the St. Lawrence all the way to the game. to the bunkhouse and into the town. Another day and a place for my head. A drink to the living and a toast to the dead.